49 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2 second edition is about evaluation of exponential expressions and radicals. Now remember, exponents are the powers of something, and radicals are will have that square root. Okay, so if I say 5 times 5 times 5, that's a shorter way of writing that would be 5 to the third power. By the same token, I can say x times x times x is x to the third power. So let's take that information and use it to evaluate this expression. What would m squared be if m was equal to 9? Well, I'm going to put 9 in for m, and I'm going to square 9, which means 9 times 9, and I'm going to get 81. Alright, this says 4 to the x power if x is 3. So that means right here, instead of x, I'm going to put a 3. And 4 to the third power is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. The next one says the nth power of 64, and if n is equal to 3. So let's just put a 3 in there in n's place. And I know from here what number cubed is 64. I know that number is 4. And the more we do these, the more you're going to memorize what the square roots and the cube roots of certain numbers are, because you'll use them so many times. Alright, 3, the cubed root of n, if n is equal to 27. So let's put 27 in there. What number times itself 3 times is 27? It's not 9. Sometimes you want to think 27 divided by 3 is 9. It's not 9. It's actually going to be 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Alright, let's do our practice problems. Alright, 4 to the x power if x is equal to 3. Then that would be 4 to the third power, or 4 times 4 times 4, we know. Hopefully you're memorizing this. That is 64. Alright, x to the third power if x is equal to 5. So that means 5 to the third power is 5 times 5 times 5. Well, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. Alright, the n root of 27, if n is 3, that means the cubed root of 27, and we just did that on the other page. We know that that is 3. And the n root of 81, if n is equal to 2, square root of 81. Now notice you're not really going to see this a lot because it's kind of redundant, meaning that even if I didn't have the 2 there, I know that it's squared, the square root of 81, and that is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Great job. Hopefully this will be a really easy lesson for you, and I will see you back for lesson 50 next time.